Here's a quick look at the markets for Monday, May the 18th, 2009 through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. We like always to start with our charts here, our profiles I should say, divided between the regular trading hours. This is what happened today, and this is Friday's here. And what happened on the overnight basis. It's always good to take a look at how the market traded overnight in order to get a better insight as to what it's likely to do for the regular trading hours for the next day. Now, we had an indication that the market was likely going to head lower, continue lower after Friday's trade. And you can see here that our low that was formed on Friday was right here. Well, the market did make new lows on the overnight session, but did turn around in pretty strong fashion here and have a much stronger open than what we anticipated. So the lack, and by the way, we also had that 874 area as support, and it only hit down into 875. So we knew that the sell-off was very weak, the attempt to have the follow-through lower very weak, and so that obviously something was coming into the market overnight, whether it was from Asia or Europe or wherever. But the overnight trade really did turn around, did not reach the known support, but instead rallied up and had a good positive close for the overnight session, and in turn for the regular trading hours a positive close, or positive open I should say, here. This is where the market opened today in this little blue area right here. Now, we'd also mentioned 895, 895.50 right in here as a key area. Been mentioning that on the videos here for a few days, and you can see that during the first hour of trading, that initial balance period, it was kept within there, and then shortly thereafter traded above it, and we knew that once it had done that, it would be a very bullish development, and that we would look for the market to continue to rally, have a good strong move after that. And so that worked out very well. So we're continuing to look 911, 915, 923 for areas of possible resistance going into tomorrow. As far as our individual trades were concerned, we did get long on this deceleration here, which we felt was a really good trade from our analysis overnight, and then where the market had opened in the regular trading hours this morning on Monday. However, we got stopped out of that trade, which was really kind of a shame, because getting long in this area, obviously the market rallied for pretty well the rest of the day. It actually triggered us into another short trade with that failure, and so we were stopped out on those first two trades, which was really kind of frustrating, because we really felt that that first trade was going to could be a really good one today, and of course, as it turned out, it just kind of gave us the two-step here as the market came down and made another new low. But we were able to get in on some other long trades, and we were able to get onto those, not from our specific trade types, not until the market came up in here a little bit later. We actually had three trades there, one there. We got filled on a beautiful pullback here to 901 even, and then we had another late trade right in here off of our green shaded area. So we had three winning trades there to finish off the session, and so things still worked out pretty good, but could have done a lot better had the market not given us that two-step early in the day, where we really felt that we could actually day position what we like to call, even though it's a day trade, it's like a daytime frame position trade, in which case we're looking to get in to hold that trade for quite some time, if not the rest of the trading day. And this was that kind of day. So when you're using tight stops like we do, we can get stopped out on a trade like that. Some of our traders would have stayed in there, though, if they were looking at the really the structure of the market and the condition of the market in that sense. So that's really it for today as far as what our trades were and how we're looking at the market, with the expectation of follow through higher, those resistance areas I mentioned, and possible support areas around 898 and 901. So that's a look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Monday, May the 18th. And of course, as always, any questions or comments, just get a hold of us right there at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. Thanks, and have a good day.